Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Last War Survival, which gives you unlimited resources, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super cool. iOS and Android, all devices are supported. So basically, first thing we're going to do, guys, go to settings and go to general and go to background app refresh and turn this on. So once you've done that, you're good to go. So now we're just going to go onto this website called hexmods.com. Okay, so once you're on the site, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Last War. And as you can see, it says Last War Survival. So just go ahead and press on it, press the download button, and wait for it to download. So if you got like a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to try this out because it's super cool and fully works. So as you can see, I mean, this is super crazy, guys. So yeah, I mean, personally, I didn't have a ton of money in this game, but now I got like 50,000, as you can see. So it's super cool, guys. So anyway, if you go to the App Store and you type in Last War Survival, you can see it's super expensive, which is why I don't encourage you guys to spend money on this game. As you can see, here's the thing. Nah, bro. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my method out because it's super cool. It fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, peace out, guys, because this is super insane. As you can see, I got so much. This is so cool. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, I mean, this is super cool. As you can see, it's like totally updated. So yeah, if you play this game, guys, then you're going to want to get this hack because it's like fully working and everything. And I mean, all you have to do is go on to this HexMods site and then just type in Last War Survival. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, it's fully working and everything. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. Totally updated. So if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and get the word out about this method, bro.